You think you know plants? Think again. Beyond the garden wall lies a kingdom of botanical oddities that defy all expectations. Prepare to meet the weirdest plants on Earth. First, the Rafflesia arnoldi, the corpse flower. It boasts the world's largest bloom, but smells like rotting flesh to attract its favorite pollinators. A monstrous beauty. Next, something from a fairy tale nightmare, the bleeding tooth fungus. This strange organism oozes a thick red liquid, but it's not as sinister as it looks. You know, it might not look like a fun guy, but that reminds me. Why did the mushroom get invited to all the parties? Because he's a fun guy, now for a master of disguise. These aren't stones. They're lithops, or living stones, which have evolved to look exactly like pebbles to avoid being eaten. A true hidden gem. Finally, the immortal welwitschia. This desert plant may look like a pile of dead leaves, but it can live for over 1,500 years, with just 2 leaves that grow continuously its entire life. From living stones to immortal survivors, the plant world is stranger and more wonderful than we can imagine. If you loved uncovering these botanical oddities, hit that subscribe button and join us for more adventures into the unknown.